This is the morning weather update for Alexandria, Virginia. It's July the 6th, about 7 a.m. Today we do have an elevated risk of severe thunderstorms, more than likely between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. today. What you see here is the Storm Prediction Center's convective outlook for today, and DC is right here, and we're in this circle, which is a elevated risk. It's marginal, but it is an elevated risk. If we look at the chance, tornadoes, no chance. Wind, about a 5% chance, and hail, no chance. So the principal threat today is going to be from damaging winds. Okay, if we go to the College of DuPage Supercell Composite Index, we see here that at 2100 hour Zulu, about 5 p.m., DC is right here, and we're on the edge of this yellow region. If we go forward and backward a little bit, we start in a green region about 2 p.m. That's an elevated risk. Most elevated at 5 p.m. and then towards 8 p.m. it starts dropping, and we stay in it actually until 11 p.m. But it's a pretty low risk at that point. Okay, if we look at let's look at Buff Kit now. And again, let's see if we can get this to clear up. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is currently set for 5 p.m. today. This is the North American model, latest run. And 5 p.m. today, we are at a severe weather threat index of 238, and if you've watched some of my other videos, you'll know as long as we're below 300, there's not much of a threat. If we advance this a bit, we start going over 300 about 6 p.m. and we start having moderate rain indicated here by the 2 dots. If we advance this a little more, we end up still above 300. We're at 324, and we now have these 3 dots here. That indicates heavy rain, and that's about 8 p.m. This evening. And if we advance this a little further, we continue 3 dots into the 9 p.m. hour. So that means we have a potential 2 hours worth of heavy rain, ranging from about 0.15 inches an hour up to nearly 1/4 of an inch an hour, and then by 10 p.m. things quiet down and we drop below 300 by 9 p.m. or by 10 p.m. Okay, this is the North American model, latest run, currently set to simulated radar. This is about 8 p.m. Today. And if we look, DC, Alexandria is here, DC's here. We have this area of potentially high precipitation. This is probably going to be coming from the southwest and cross this way. So somewhere before 8 p.m. This will probably cross the DC area. If we switch to precipitation type, we can see that we have a pretty good area here of rain over the DC area. Possibly a little south of DC will be the heaviest. If we do Cape, this is the convective available energy. About 8 p.m. we have a very high line of Cape across the DC area. And as far as the water vapor in the air, lots of water vapor, and that's what you need. Is you need Cape and you need water vapor for severe thunderstorms and heavy rainfall. So it looks like somewhere in this range between 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. we're going to have pretty heavy rain. If we switch to this is the Iowa State Meteogram generator, and again this shows all the predictions with respect to precipitation amount for all the model runs, all the different models available. We have one outlier that says we're going to get somewhere in the neighborhood of 1.9 inches of rain. I seriously doubt that. But if you look at the 8 p.m. area, we have this ranging from about 3/10 of an inch to about 8/10 of an inch, and I think that's a reasonable amount to estimate. If we briefly go back to BuffKit and go to the overview section, let me see if I can get this clear. Okay. All right. If you look at this line here, this indicates the total precipitation amount. And if we Monday starts about here, it's saying that by the 8 p.m. hour, the area over Washington Reagan National Airport could get nearly 3/4 of an inch of rain. So I think it's a pretty good bet we're going to get quite a bit of rain today. Okay, if we go to this, this is the a statistical model that it sums up a lot of different model runs, and what this is suggesting, this is just for the Washington Reagan National Airport, and in subsequent model runs, the most current is this green line. It's showing somewhere between 6/10 of an inch to 4/10 of an inch of accumulation. So I set the range of approximately 3/10 of an inch to 8/10 of an inch. We'll get somewhere in between that amount of rain. Okay, that'll wrap it up for now. If anything changes, I'll probably do a intermediate weather update later today. Otherwise, I will be tweeting out reports on my Twitter account at PatPen, P-A-T-P-E-N-D, and I'll keep you aware of any threatening storms. Thanks a lot.